Welcome to MedMart.com. David and Chris here to demonstrate one of our favorite slings. One sling, endless possibilities. Simplify life for both caregiver and patient. The ComfortPlus sling was designed with changing needs in mind. It is very versatile and versatile enough to work perfectly with most floor and ceiling lifts. That gives a lot of possibilities, a lot of adjustments. With multiple handles, sling points, and extra loop straps, caregivers can quickly adapt to whatever the patient needs. Different heights and weights, different functioning abilities, different trunk support. The sling is fully operational in both wet and dry conditions. It can move patients from either an upright seated position or a fully reclined one, where comfort meets customization. For an incredibly versatile sling, the ComfortPlus Hygiene padded toilet sling promises incredible comfort for a wide range of users. Not only does it have an adjustable waistband and comprehensive back and thigh support, but its integrated head support also comes with 2 webbing buckles, allowing for personalized adjustment to ensure maximum comfort for the patient. To top it all off, extra soft breathable foam creates a soft, comfortable lift experience. Built for the long haul, built for outcomes, comfort, easier for caregivers. The sling can support a weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, making it a perfect choice for most users. Need to clean it? Simply throw the sling in the washing machine, air dry, and it's good as new. Experience the ComfortPlus sling today and discover a new level of comfort, versatility, and durability for both caregivers and patients. Contact us today, call us, or visit medmart.com.